Hi, welcome. We're in the Forum Labo trade show that takes place in Paris. This event is a great opportunity for users, distributors and industrial to meet and discuss about the solution for lab applications. FDGSC is present here among 300 exhibitors in this event known at global scale.
Nous utilisons un générateur d'hydrogène, donc le plus gros modèle qui est donc le WM1200.
So we are using hydrogen generator and also for air and nitrogen, and we use that for NC or GC connected to MS in some cases.
Double MH2 generators, and it's connected to a fast GC FID.
Ils ont plein de fonctions, on peut régler plein de fonctions, on peut donc aussi produire de l'hydrogène dans des petits récipients.
Firstly, because I like it, a nice look, okay, they are very small, and as I told you just before, the systems are really robust. You have only to push the button, and for instance, for a hydrogen generator to fill with water once or twice a year, and that's all.
On pouvait travailler aussi à forte pression, et c'est ce qui nous a intéressés.
Since we use them, we do not have any problem. So this is a constant operation system, and for us it's very important because we have a lot of teaching, doing research at the same time, and we cannot stop our system.
Behind this generator you have a USB port, so it's very easy to upgrade the version.
Alors pour la maintenance, je ne pourrais pas vous répondre parce qu'on n'a pas eu de maintenance à faire, on n'a pas eu besoin pour le moment.
Alors le service client, très bien. On a pu vous contacter sans aucun problème, vous êtes venu très rapidement.
If sometime a problem occurs, we have only to give a phone call and we obtain very soon, very rapidly, an answer.
Or for the maintenance, it was perfect because all the time the instruments are running, and we discuss often FDGS has to come to our lab to control everything, and the process is going on during the last 5 years without any problems.
Inside Veolia, but most often outside Veolia, because the price of helium don't stop to increase, and I always think about a nice image of a green laboratory, and the fact you use air, hydrogen or nitrogen generator is linked to a green image.
Nous en fait on a pu confier l'installation de nos appareils à cette entreprise, et en fait on a eu vraiment quelque chose de réalisé dans les règles de l'art. Donc on a pu poser en plus toutes nos questions au départ, donc on a eu des réponses sans problème.
Easy to communicate with FDGS when you have a problem?
The key, I think they are going to become the leader in the market, not only in France but in Europe, maybe in several years all over the world. Advantage is the robustness of the system. This is the point of view of Veolia, and this is the point of view of all the people of my team.
Reactivity, availability, and high quality of service.
Oh yeah, without any problem. Yeah, because as I said, we expected to have a generator running all the time, and with good relation with people looking at these instruments, and everything was fine during the last 6 years. So for us, no problem.
We recommend FDGS generators, and the important things in this company is the distributor. We can find many distributors in all over the world. So for us, it's very important to implement the same instrument with the same generator, and we can do with this company.